What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to export footage without a background inside of Premiere Pro. It can be graphics, lower thirds, this guy I have on screen right now, on the top of the footage, not knowing where he's at. How do we do that in Premiere Pro? It's super easy and super quick. So in Premiere Pro, we have this. It is a piece of a footage of this dude. I keyed out the background and I want to export this as a transparent video with the black being nothing and this guy being like that. You may need this inside of Premiere Pro. What we're going to do is go here. Our footage, our timeline is selected. We're going to click Export, little Export tab up here. Alternatively, you can right-click your sequence and then do Export Media. Opens up the exact same thing. So from here, we're going to do Format. We're going to click QuickTime. If it's already set to H.264, just drop down on Format. Go down to QuickTime. From here, we're going to do Video Codec. We're going to click Animation. From here, we're going to do Depth 8 BPC, 8 BPC plus Alpha. And that is all of the settings. Everything else, your audio can be the same, doesn't matter. Click where you want to save it. Let's do Render 2. Save, and then click Export right here in the bottom right. From there, you can take your clip, which has been, I brought it into here, and I just laid it right on top of my timeline. And that is how you render a clip inside of Premiere Pro without a background. And here it is. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. It helps me out a ton.